What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, pyros of all ages? We're back with some Legend brand fireworks. We have Key Break. Air Performance. Red Dahlia with Time Rain, Green Dahlia with Time Rain, Finale with Brocade Mines to Brocade Crown. Liking that, liking me some brocade, some nice gold breaks, some nice mines to go with it. As some funny artwork. 9 shots, 200 grammer again from Legend Fireworks. I got this from Bottom Boom Fireworks in Pennsylvania. Take a look underneath this 9 shot. There you go. So, let's check it out. And you know, thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the comments down below. Let's see this thing go. Nice little finish to that.